loving you right. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days.
To do this trend, first you need to have Capcut application. Now after this, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Here I have provided you all the top 5 best Capcut templates for this trend. Preview all the videos and choose the one which you like the most. To use the template, click on the Use Template in Capcut option given below each videos. After clicking on Use Template in Capcut option, you will be automatically switched to Capcut. Now from here, click on Use Template and add the required number of photos according to the template from your gallery. And after adding all the photos, click on Preview. Now first check your video and then export. And now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.